Eye4Task enhances the human capacity to carry out on-field interventions. It is a platform for remote collaboration between experts and technicians in the field who perform maintenance work, certifications, inspections or assistance. Let's take, for example, the management of a fault in a piece of machinery that produces window frames. With Eye4Task, the person who is in charge of the intervention can see the instructions directly on the device, smartphone or smart glasses, and carry out preset checklists. If the technician fails to restart the machine independently, they can contact a more experienced person who, without being on site, will intervene remotely to provide the necessary assistance. Collaboration promotes the transfer of skills, and as a result, work becomes easier. In fact, the technician can show the expert what they see in real time. The expert can observe the machinery with their own eyes, and after identifying the fault, they can guide the technician step by step to solve it and configure the machinery in order to restart it. This is why Eye4Task speeds up training and helps to solve the problem more quickly, whatever the context. Furthermore, the intervention is certified. Place, date and time are always recorded. Everything you need is in one single solution. Eye4Task.